What's up, guys? It's me, Geek. So the question is that is the JavaScript a bad programming language? The question is quite interesting. Let me be honest with you. The question is quite interesting. Is the JavaScript programming a is the JavaScript programming a bad programming language? Here's one thing. Definitely no. I think so. JavaScript is only the programming language which within next 10 years will be the most demand. I mean, I personally don't like Node.js, but demand for Node.js growing day by day. I mean, Node.js is a dynamic framework of JavaScript, which means that you do not need to use any dynamic programming language. The JavaScript itself is a client-based programming language, a scripting programming language. But nowadays, for electronic, I did one or two projects. I mean, for DIY electronic, I write a few line of code in JavaScript just to turn on the LED, turn off the LED. JavaScript is the future. I am looking at JavaScript will be replacing the C programming language. I mean, within maybe next decade. I mean, because JavaScript is easy to learn, the code is quite beautiful. To be honest with you, the code is really very nice, easy to write, easy to remember. Personally, I only recommend one JavaScript book. The book name is Head First JavaScript Book, which is a really very good programming book. I personally use that book to learn programming back in the day. Now there's a new edition. Yes, JavaScript programming language is not a bad programming language. Someone is saying this is a propaganda against JavaScript programming language. Ruby on Rails, basically that was a framework. Ruby is dying. Is dying. Python dying from the main, I mean, web development scene, from the consumers in Python is relevant only in the data science, data analytic world, but for main world it's also fading out. I mean, PHP I think will remain a web programming language, but JavaScript will be overtake PHP in future. What I'm looking at, so JavaScript is not a bad programming language for me right now. JavaScript is only the king which can take out C, to be honest with you. A legendary programming language, and it can even kill C programming language. That's how I'm looking, because day by day JavaScript performance is like totally increasing. Not to the level of Java or even the C. JavaScript have nothing to do with Java. Okay, so I hope this answers the question. Check out the links in the description box. But it was me, none other Jimmy Yagi. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.